Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy a CapCut Team subscription. All right, let's begin. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or computer and make sure you are logged in with your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the Me section, which takes you to your account dashboard. Here, select the Memberships feature to view the available membership options. Next, tap Teams. This section is designed for collaborative plans, and you will see different team subscription options based on your region. Browse through the available plans and choose the one that matches your team's needs. If everything looks good, tap Purchase to continue. Then you will be asked to enter your payment information. Add your preferred payment method and make sure the details are entered correctly. Once your payment method is added, tap Subscribe to complete the process. When the payment goes through, your CapCut Team subscription will be activated and linked to your account. So, that's basically how you can buy a CapCut Team subscription. That's it for this video. Thanks.